start my live. It's already time. I'm Dipti Misra, staying in Muscat now. And first of all, I want to thank Mrs. Chita Sarita ma'am and Amul, such a big brand, like they have given a chance to give live session in this. And I'm congratulating Chita Sarita ma'am and all the members of RBKD group because they successfully have completed 6 years. So happy birthday RBKD. And today actually I'll make something very simple which you can make at home, but it will be utterly delicious. And you know, Amul, like everybody knows, like from our childhood, dairy product means we know it is Amul. Like there are so many products now coming up, so we can use all those and we can make many delicious items. So now Onam is there, and just now this Ganesh Puja, and we have some other festival. So we made a lot of sweets. So I thought, why not today also I'll show something sweet item only. Okay. So I'll not waste time. Actually, I'm in a very hurry because there was no electricity. Like I could not plan something properly what I was thinking. But definitely I'll try to give something like which you can make at home in less time. Okay. So I'm going to make baked rasgulla in Umali. So Umali, as you know, this is a Middle Eastern desert. In fact, that is the national desert of Egypt, and it is very quick to make. So anyway, like I will not waste time. So milk I'm keeping for boiling actually. So these are the ingredients. All the products, whatever dairy product I am using, all those are from Amul. Okay, milk, khoya, like the mithai milk, all those things, everything from Amul only I am using, ghee and all, whatever I am going to use. This rasgulla you can make at home. This is like I have made at home, but now you can get from Amul product also. Okay, so this is Amul powder, everything. So first, this milk, actually it will take time, that's why I thought first I will boil the milk little. It is almost half done. So ये आधा हो गया है मिल्क का, पूरा बॉईल हो गया. Now what I will do, this is hot now, and same milk I will be using for the baked rasgulla and Umali. Okay, so that's why I have taken little more quantity. So I will divide it in between because the initial process is same. So milk अभी थोड़ा मतलब boil हो गया है. So now I will add, just to save time, I am adding the thick milk. Okay, and I'll boil it for some more time. Until that time, I'll just brief you about Umali. Actually, Umali के लिए there is a nice story you can read in the net also, like how this sweet dish like it came. So I'm using basically croissant, but you can use the pastry pop. I didn't get in the store, so but this is also okay with that. If you don't get this also, don't be disheartened. You can use bread, normal bread. You fry that, deep fry that in Amul ghee. So that will also give good taste. Okay, so I am going to use this. So first I will cut this. You can take any pot where you can bake. So I am using this. You can just cut into small pieces. If you get gas strip of the taste will be slightly different definitely. Nevertheless, you can use bread also. Just deep fry the bread in Amul ghee. That will give you good taste. Okay. So I have arranged it like this. You can see. Now I will show you separately how, because I am making in one taste baked rasgulla and umali, but I am just showing you separately. This is only for umali. Okay. So just layer it like this. This is almost done. Don't leave any empty space. Wherever you see, you can take any baking tray. Done. So this much, and then this part I have made it ready. Now what I will do, I will use this is the mithai made Amul. So it depends how much sweet you want, accordingly you can add. Sometimes I add brown sugar so that the color comes nice. This is nicely mixed here. So I told you don't have to think much for this item, the umali and baked rasgulla. You can do it very fast. You make it half actually here. This side also we will use for. Okay. Now there is a distinct flavor comes from the cinnamon powder. So I will put some cinnamon powder here. Okay, just 1/4 teaspoon is more than enough. Now I will add all the dry fruits. Dry fruits you have, you can use any dry fruits, no restriction. And I will cook it for another 2-3 minutes. And this I am going to use for the baked rasgulla. So what I will do, I have made khoya. This is instant khoya I have made from Amul powder only, Amul ghee, Amul powder, Amul milk. So I am going to use this for the baked rasgulla. You have to keep stirring this. Okay, till it gets made. And ये भी हो गया है. Another 2-3 minutes for this. You can grate the mawa also. This one I didn't do because it will melt automatically like this also. But if you grate it, it will be faster. I will show you how to make this also, because for the baked rasgulla. We will bake the rasgulla in this. Basically, we are going to grill it, not bake. Even though the name is baked rasgulla, we are going to grill it. And in the baked rasgulla, I will add little cardamom powder. Okay, so this will take some time, 5-10 minutes. Now this is done. So when it is hot only, I'll pour it here. Okay, and then I will add some cream over here. Little bit dry fruits on the top just to garnish it. And then I'll take this for baking. Okay, but I don't have much time now because baking will take minimum 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on the quantity, pot and your oven. Okay, so I have already baked something to show, but I showed you all the preparatory steps. This has to just go for baking. After the session again I will put it for baking. Okay, now let us see what is the status of this one. This instant khoya, it is very easy to make. Like you can use amul ghee little and then put little milk. When the ghee melts, just wait 2-3 minutes or maybe 1 minute also, but you have to do everything in the low to medium flame. Don't increase the flame. And then add milk powder and keep stirring it till it becomes dry. That process will take maybe 7 to 10 minutes. So just wait. I'll do something in between. Now here I am going to, this is the rasgulla. Rasgulla you can make easily at home, you know that. Just make paneer and then steam it. You can, here you just squeeze the rasgulla. We don't need the sugar syrup, okay? So, because we want this to go inside, not the sugar syrup, okay? So just squeeze it like this. How many it will accommodate, accordingly you give. See here also, this also I am going to use this as a fusion. So I will put this one here. So Omali with baked rasgulla it is. Now I will add rasgulla. I will just divide it so that you get in many bites. Okay, I think this much is enough. Baked rasgulla, it is like if you have eaten sai tukda, rasmalai, and you can imagine like a combination of all that. Like you will get flavor of all that, and that burnt flavor, that I really love. It depends whether you want to make it golden color or till black, also some people prefer. This is done. You can wait till it becomes more dense also. But when you are baking it, again it becomes little dense. I put in both. Now again here, this is for the mixed one. Okay, so I'm adding more dry fruits. And in the baked rasgulla, if you want, you can add. It is up to you. I'm just adding pistachio. Okay, not different one. So this has to go for grilling now. Actually, I have told you this has to umali. Usually, it is baked for more than 25 minutes like that. So, but this one it will take less time, less than 10 minutes. So I'll keep it for grilling. I've kept the stand here. I can keep both of them together also. But I think better I keep one first. I've kept it 9 minutes actually, but you can reduce it. Usually takes 5 to 6 minutes. But for me, usually it takes time, so I've kept it little more. Okay. This also I grill it after that. Okay. So the steps are very simple. You just bake it after that. till the color come little golden or blackish also. Some people like that char taste. Okay. So now I have another thing to make. Keep it aside. Today is the 6th birthday of RBKD, as you know. So I am planned no bake cake. Okay. So I already made carrot halwa. So this is also with all Amul product, obviously. Okay. So you know that. And then I will make the mawa top part. So what I will do. This is the Amul ghee. And then I will put some milk over here. अभी इसमें क्या करूँगी, आई विल ऐड अमूल पाउडर. ओके. अमूल पाउडर और उसको चलाने क्या है, कीप स्टरिंग इट बिकॉज नहीं तो ये नीचे भी लग जाता है. बट वी हैव एडेड सो मच घी, सो नो प्रॉब्लम. अभी इसमें मैं क्या करूँगी, कंडेंस मिल्क डाल दूंगी और थोड़े टाइम के बाद. आई थिंक आई हैव टू कीप ए वॉच ऑन क्लॉक ऑल्सो. It really feels nice that I'm giving a session on Amul home page. That really feels great. क्योंकि Amul मतलब definitely we associate all our childhood sweet memory, everything is there with Amul. See, अभी ये सूखा होते चला है. have to keep stirring it. Now I'll add it little more. Condensed milk. It depends how much sweet you prefer. मीठा आपको कितना पसंद है उसी हिसाब से आप डाल सकते हैं. You can add sugar also. तो ये पूरा जब तक सूखा नहीं हो जाएगा, मैं थोड़ा अभी जल्दी में कर रही हूँ, बट यूजुअली इट टेक्स 8-9 मिनट्स हो जाता है. ये अभी ऐसे करने का है 5-7 मिनट पूरा लगता है सूखा होते होते। इसको लो फ्लेम से लो टू मीडियम करने का है, ज्यादा हाई नहीं करने का। आई जस्ट सी दिस, इसका कलर exactly what I wanted. It has come like that. So it took for me 8 minutes actually, 7 minutes. So ये 4-5 मिनट में भी बन जाता है. It depends. If you want only golden color, then you can keep less time. See, you can see how it has come now. Okay. Now I will bake the rasgulla. I'm grilling it, sorry, I'm not baking, I'm grilling it. I've kept it 7 minutes, but I'll take it out before. 4-5 मिनट में वो हो जाता है. And I think we are almost done also. ये भी सूखा हो जाएगा तो this is just I'm showing you because मैं पूरा पहले से बना के रखी हूँ ये सब. कैरेट हलवा के ऊपर ये इसका एक लेयर डाल के केक का शेप कुछ भी मोल्ड के ऊपर आप रख सकते हो ऐसा. थोड़ा फ्लेम हाई कर दी, एक्चुअली टाइम नहीं है बोल के, बट यू हैव टू कीप, प्लीज रिमेम्बर यू हैव टू कीप इट लो फ्लेम, लो टू मीडियम तक आ सकते हो. ये हो गया है. ये थोड़ा ठंडा होने तक, मतलब ज्यादा रुकने का जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाएगा तो उसके ऊपर मैं किसी भी एक मोल्ड लेके वो कैरेट हलवा को सेट कर दूंगी, उसके ऊपर ये भी देके सेट कर दूंगी. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा बन गया स्वीट एंड मावा. ओके, सो दिस इज द, मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. दिस इज द केक, नो बेक केक आदमी केडी का. सो ये ऊपर का जो है मेरा मावा वाला, नीचे का है ये जैसा मावा में बना है अभी स्वीट एंड मावा. इसका पहले एक मोल्ड ले ली थी और ये वाला है मेरे पास, वो कटर था बेसिकली. दिस इज अ कटर, आई यूज इट फॉर दैट. सो इसके अंदर पहले कैरेट हलवा डाली एंड देन आई यूज दिस मावा. ओके, और बीच में मैं थोड़ा कॉर्नफ्लोर डाल के, कलर डाल के, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू शो रेड कलर. तो आरबी के लिए थोड़ा लाल कलर दिखाने का था, सो आई यूज दैट. सो नाउ आई विल फिल दिस. ये वाला हमारा हो गया. आई टेक ऑल दिस टू द अदर साइड. You can use this kind of pot also. I have baked, I have grilled here. It looks very nice. So I am bringing that here. ये देखिए, मैं अभी से पहले ही मैं बेक की थी सुबह. दिस इज द उमाली, सेपरेटली आई हैव मेड उमाली, एंड दिस इज ओनली बेक्ड rasgulla. I have put rasgulla with the thickened milk what I prepared. So I baked here You can see this looks so cute. So you can directly give to anybody like this. So इसको मुझे बेक करने के लिए 4-5 मिनट लगा था ऐसा ग्रिल का. सॉरी, आई एम टेलिंग बेक. फॉर दिस वन आई हैव यूज्ड ग्रिल एंड फॉर दिस आई हैव यूज्ड बेक. ओके, ये थोड़ा गोल्डन हो गया है, बट इफ यू वांट, आई वांट लिटिल मोर कलर. एक मिनट के बाद मैं बंद कर दूंगी. ये हो गया. और ये वाला मेरा फ्यूजन वाला जो था, नीचे में है मेरा क्रोसेंट, उसके ऊपर जैसे मेरा ये बनता है उमाली का, एंड देन रसगुल्ला का लेयर है. सो दिस इज, यू विल गेट द बाइट ऑफ बोथ एंड इट, ट्रस्ट मी, इट टेस्ट डेलिशियस, अटरली डेलिशियस. ओके, सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस. मतलब ये पूरा फ्यूजन जैसा हो गया है. नीचे का उमाली जैसा है, ऊपर का बेक्ड रसगुल्ला जैसा है, और दोनों का मिक्स जैसा है. And this just to show you separately I have done. Like anytime you wish only for umali, you can go for this, and this is only for the baked rasgulla. And ये हमारा अभी जो बेक किए थे, ये this is the fusion one, and this is for our sweet group RBKD, this cake. अभी ओनम आ रहा है, तो मैं सोची थोड़ा फुल, like wherever you are going, like you can see lot of flower they are decorating. So here also flower I have put so much, and I think this is also done. I take it out. Wow, see, you can see the color. If you want, actually I prefer little more time also, but some people they like only little brownish. Like if you order from outside, you know, it will be slightly golden color. That's it. So it depends how much dark color you want. Accordingly, you can put it for grilling. So grilling will be very fast. Only thing you have to make this little thick. That is the difference between this umali and baked rasgulla. Baked rasgulla में थोड़ा thick जैसा हम डालते हैं, और इसमें इतना ये नहीं, क्योंकि that has to be the pastry puff or croissant whatever you are giving. वो थोड़ा सोख होने का है, तो इसलिए थोड़ा इतना थिक नहीं चाहिए मिल्क हमको. सो आई डिडंट ऐड खोया देयर, बट आई एडेड खोया फॉर द बेक्ड रसगुल्ला. ओके, सो दिस इज, आई थिंक आई showed already, but happy birthday RBKD. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and thank you Amul.